The House of Representatives has directed the Federal Minister of Health to return the 10 billion naira for the production of COVID-19 vaccine in 2020 into the Federation account. Its Committee on Public Accounts gave the directive as it questions authorities at the ministry over the use of COVID-19 fund. The committee is particularly concerned that the directive for the production of COVID-19 vaccine, for which 10 billion naira was approved, wasn't delivered, and the money not returned to government's coffers. The committee adopted a motion moved by lawmaker from Osun State, Segun Osoba, that the ministry pay back the 10 billion naira to the Federation account within 7 days and provide to the committee evidence of payment. Well, let's get a clearer picture on this story. TVC News State House correspondent Joke Adisa joins me on the news for more. Well, Joke, it looks like we're looking for another 10 billion naira now. But how did the representatives of the Federal Ministry of Health respond to this probe?
Well, thank you, N10B. Let me say that this particular probe, like the honorable members have put it, is to ensure that the loans that were acquired for COVID-19 intervention, that the loans are duly spent and duly accounted for. The Federal Ministry of Health, represented by the Permanent Secretary, of course, tried as much as it could to put its facts and figures before the members, but it doesn't appear that the members are anywhere satisfied looking at the cross-examination, the questioning and all that. But one thing that the Permanent Secretary did say that made the members to take that decision was the fact that, yes, Nigeria has gone past, the world has gone past COVID-19, and that there was no need for the vaccine anymore, but that they were looking at, the ministry was looking at what it could do with that money. And the members were emphatic to say it is not done, that since that money was released for a purpose and the purpose was not achieved, it should be returned to government coffers. But we even had a member say that, asking questions as to who actually put that money in the bank and who has been collecting whatever interest that has been accruing to that money. Suggesting that that money was being used for one form of business or another. And so that is what has come out, and the lawmakers have given 7 days to the ministry to pay that money and provide evidence of payment. And it's not even only the ministry, it also directed the Federal Ministry of Investment, Trade, Industry and Investment to also do the same. 75 billion naira COVID-19 intervention fund. The committee complained that that particular ministry has not honored this invitation, several invitations that have been sent, and so it's concluded that, okay, maybe the money was not spent after all, and that money should be returned to government coffers. Also, before the committee was the Rural Electrification Agency. The managing director did come, and the members were emphatic that, okay, since the last National Assembly, that particular agency has not been cooperating as far as this is concerned. So they have said that this time, they also gave it 24 hours to submit whatever facts, whatever figures it has, and also come before the committee by Monday, without which they will issue a warrant of arrest or something like that to compel his appearance. So I think a lot of drama, of course, will still play out in the next days as the committee continues its assignment. It's dealing with about 83 MDAs of the federal government, and so I'm sure Nigerians will see much more from what has happened. We are waiting to take the turn of the FAN, Federal Authority Agency of Nigeria. FAN is next online to also come before the committee. So we see all of this play out, but the most important thing is that, like the committee has said, is that the nation needs every kobo it can get this time. So what they are trying to do is to assist the executive to get money, unspent money, into the coffers for the use of the country, and which will, of course, leverage on the lives of the people.
Very interesting development. Perhaps we should also be asking which account that money was paid to, Joke is alive for us at the National Assembly in Abuja.